keep an eye on my market internals. You know what? I'm going to go in right here. Market internals turn green, and yeah, if we get a little rally, I could get another $25, $250 profit. We're up to 360. Let's see, I got in at 53.30. Yeah, let's call it 53.40. I'm already up 8 cents. It looks like this could move a little bit higher here. We're down 353, 352, 351. Yeah, we're moving higher. This market could move a little bit higher here. A little counter trend rally. 350. I'd like to see it continue to tick up. 347. There we go. We got on at 40, so we're up 20 cents. We're up $20, $60. I'm going to settle this. Market internals just turned negative, so I'm out. Got a little bit of cash in there. We're up to 322 now. Made a little $75 profit on that, so we're up to 322 for the day. It's kind of like playing a game, you know. You're just kind of out here playing a game. I like to use the Dow as my chessboard, if you call it that. I just like to take a look at the extremes of these moves. Let's take a look at the DXD. What I'm interested now at this point is you see this topping tail here on the DXD, and then you've got a corresponding. I mean, you got a topping tail here, you got a topping tail there. So there's a potential here for the market to move somewhat higher. We're down 349. The market internals have to confirm, and that's what I'm always looking at. I'm always looking at this making a new low, the advanced declines. Of course, most stocks are down now. So, you know, I mean, when you take a look at the number of stocks declining, there's only 9 stocks or 10 stocks advancing. I mean, how bad is that? You know, so I mean, can it go any further lower? Yeah, it could go further lower, but you know, it's starting to tick up a little bit here. I may have to go back into this DDM trade. Well, let's see where it goes first. I'm not going to jump in just yet. Let's see if it confirms itself and it can actually go. I'll keep DDM on my other screen. I'm going to keep the DXD up here, which is the ETF I want to buy if the market continues lower. But it looks like we're getting a little counter trend here. Now, the only thing that concerns me, of course, is this uptick in the number of issues that are advancing. But remember, it was at extreme levels. Now, look at that big uptick there. Let's see if there's a big uptick on the volume. If the volume upticks, then yeah, we may have the opportunity here for a long position, counter trend rally. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, it looks pretty strong. Let's see if it sticks. It doesn't look like it's going to stick. You know what? Go back to my DXD. Market internals are turning negative again. Let's see if we can get in here at an extreme level. Down 29.30. This is what I do. I play chess with the market. The market makes a move, and I make my move. That DXD wants to trade up again. We'll see. We're only up, you know, we've got 2,808 declining issues on the New York Stock Exchange. We only have 11 advancing issues. So things are pretty bad. If I wanted to, I mean, the ideal situation is to always trade, you know, take the short side of the market. because that is where the momentum is. Momentum is to the downside. Let's see. Now in 30 minutes or so, we made you know, about it's because I've got 30 minutes that I've been recording this video. We made close to 200 bucks. So 200 bucks in 30 minutes is not too bad. I want to take on this extreme trading. See, it looks like they're buying up the DXDs, anticipating that the market's going to trade lower again, and the market internals look like they will trade lower again. Possibly. Not entirely convinced though. I mean, you know, it does obviously the trend is down. You want to stay with the trend. You've got this little topping tail. Now this is a 1 minute chart of the advanced decline line, and this is a 1 minute chart of the volume. So I am trying to stay on top of this like every second. I don't like these two large bars here. That means that there's indecision in the market. So I may have to stay clear here for a few seconds. I want to see, this is indecision in the market. When these two large bars happen like that normally means the market, it's not really going to do anything for a while. And even though we're not trading options here, we're actually trading the stocks.